Hello again, everybody from Duluth, Minnesota. It's Jim at Bullion RV. It's getting to be that time of year. We're getting some fish houses in. We've got a Grey Wolf 21 GP here I'm going to show you. It's great for all year-round camping. Here's a look at the Bullion RV building. 24 service bays. We can sell them and we can help you should something happen. Let's take a look at this guy. Nice big camper that you can use all year round, whether you're at the campground or out on a little secret piece of structure off of McKnight Island on Lake of the Woods. This is going to be the one for you. Two 30-pound LP tanks right there, hydraulic up and down on this guy. I'll demonstrate that in a minute. Those pins go in there so you don't shake loose. Rain gutters. This is double axle. Porch light here. Windows in the back. This has a backup camera. Nice big awning, faced out toward the campfire in the middle of the summer. This is air conditioned, has a heater. You can use this, as far as I can tell, about 11.5 months out of the year. Best is for ice fishing, though. I mean, who doesn't love ice fishing? I know I do. Let's take a look inside. Great big giant dinette. That dinette drops down and becomes a bed, of course. There are two holes underneath and up above. This bunk that travels up and down electronically. Let's take a look at the rest of the house. Big counter space there. All the holes have lights. There are 8 holes, so when that rattle reel goes in the middle of the night, you don't have to turn on the lights, wake everybody up. You can listen to them snore while you're landing that 30-incher. There's an electric fireplace here. If you got the generator running, that'll give you some extra heat and save on some LP. TV backer right here. Storage up here. Nice big sink. Conventional oven, 3-burner propane cooktop, storage under there, microwave, fully equipped kitchen. Refrigerator, freezer. Very nice. Battery shut off there, so you're not wasting battery when you're not using it. This sofa jackknifes into a bed, and up above, this bunk folds down. These holes right here are well positioned for jigging from the couch, which is my favorite thing to do. Lovely. This rubber floor is great for cleaning. It's going to be quieter. That's a big deal if you want to catch fish. You go out, sit in Red Lake, and this fish house will be longer than it is deep. You're making a lot of noise when you're slamming that door and stomping around. So keep it down. I'm trying to catch fish over here. Up here, fully plumbed bathroom, shower. Spare tire lives in the shower for now. Lots of storage in there. Lots of storage up here. More storage here. Plenty of room for bedding, towels, etc. This is a civilized deal here. Air conditioner is right here. It's a Coleman Mach. This is a nice year-round rig. Let me show you the best part though. let's say We've been out here for a couple hours. We've only got a couple bites. Boys, we're moving. Press of the button. Up she comes. Press it the wrong way at first. Besides being easier to do physically than cranking, it's beneficial for your house because it's not twisting while you're doing one side and then the other. And that's all the way up. Add the pins and you're ready to go. Little strobe feature there, keep snowmobiles from running into you. If you got people joining you for the weekend, see, I'll have my strobe on. It's the 21 GP from Forest River. Year-round luxury ice fishing. Will be the talk of the Kellier convenience store when you pull in there for gas and chicken fingers. Pulling this Grey Wolf 21 GP. Again, I'm Jim at Bullion RV. Love to hear from you. 651-274-5575. If you want to talk about fish houses, if you want to talk about fishing, give me a call. Thanks, and I will talk to you later. Bye.